In today's video, guys, we are going to review Avvaken. So it is a decentralized and autonomous yield farming protocol on Binance Smart Chain. So later on, I will be telling to you how you will be able to make money on this one. But first, let's focus on what is this project, how it is different from other projects, and how you can participate. So if you are ready, of course, do not forget to subscribe into my channel for more daily updates like this, guys. Again, this is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome update, and let's just start. Okay, so as you can see here, there are more than 300 participants, and currently 1 BNB is equals to 1.03 AVV. So that's how expensive an Avvaken is. Now let's talk about how they are rewarding their people, okay, the users inside the platform. So it is on dividends. So basically, if you are going to read their, what they call that, their documentation, okay, you can see here that one AVV token that are staked pays 0.02 BNB daily dividends to its holders. So let's now open a notepad. All right, so let's say you have 1 BNB, okay, let's say 1 AVV token, which is also 1 BNB that are equivalent. All right, so if you are getting paid 0.2 daily, right, so that means that in 5 days, that's going to be, wait, let me just zoom, let's just zoom this one out. It's going to be 0.10 BNB. Now, if that is the case, okay, 0.10 times 10, okay, that's 1 BNB. So you need 50 days for you to be able to get your ROI. I hope this is pretty much clear to you guys, okay? I will be saying it to you so that you know the values already. So the minimum amount to start is at 0.01 BNB. So that's the minimum. You will be able to see it here. You see here, there's 0.01 BNB that are minimum. And they are working in an auction system. So which means that after this auction has been ended, okay, you will receive the AVV tokens that are congruent or that are proportion into the amount of BNB that you contributed into this one. All right, and where you will be able to see it, okay, you'll be able to see it directly here, right? So basically, okay, for you to get rewarded, you need to what do you call that? You need to stake the AVV tokens that you have. And since I have like 3 AVV, okay, I am getting 0.06 BNB every single day. So how much is 0.06 BNB, by the way? So 0.6 BNB to USD, that's $20 a day. So that's just easy $20 a day. So that's how you will be able to what do you call that, to maximize the earnings. Okay, if you have of course, this is not a financial advice, always invest what you can afford to lose, but if you have some spare money, then probably you can try this one out. So these are the recent auctions that they've already ended. So like last night, there's more than 10 BNB that are in auction. So there's 12 AVV tokens that are sold. Last January 6th, there's like 21 BNB. So that's really a big amount. Now, if you're going to look, all right, on the documentation, all right, which you can always go directly into this portion. Okay, so that's the contract address, by the way. So hold on, that is the contract address. This is the medium. So here, okay, so AVV token. So the total supply of AVV is 1 million to be sold through auctions. Okay, so as soon as the last AVV token is sold, the auction phase will be completed and the tokens will be free circulation and use. So what will happen here is that, okay, these AVV tokens that you have also inside the platform, you can always sell it in the future because they are looking to list their project into the roadmap. So you see, okay, the CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko listings are going to come next month, and also the DAO ecosystem will be coming this quarter. So let's just go back first onto this portion. All right, so let's see the key concepts. So again, it's 80% of AVV tokens distributed through auctions. And then if you're going to see here, okay, they have a governance. So since this is decentralized and community-led platform, the more AVV tokens that you have, the higher voting rights that you have into this platform. So into the ecosystem, like into the development, like into the proposals, like into the improvement and the general development, as you can see here. So this is very important because it is not called DeFi if you do not have a voting rights on those, right? So let's now go forward into how to participate in the auctions. So of course, this is the Medium guide. I can just share it to you guys on the description box, but let me just show it to you here. So for you to participate, you can enter the amount that you have, or whatever the amount you want to contribute, or to put. Let's say you want to put 0.01 BNB or 0.01 BNB. This is the AVV tokens that you're going to get. All right, and just just enter the auction. That's how simple it is. And also, make sure to connect your wallet so that you'll be able to buy the tokens easily without having a hard time. All right. So again, after this has been distributed, it will appear into this portion, okay, where you need to stake your tokens so that you will be able to get a lifetime dividends, okay, in BNB. So make sure to take advantage of this one, because I would say that this is one of the new kinds of projects that I see in cryptocurrency. But of course, guys, always do your own research. DYONR, okay? Always make sure to know that, and also invest what you can afford to lose. All right, this is just easy, okay? And if you're going to look at the contract, it seems good because the contract is verified, okay? There's really no vote down in here. You can see that they are really like paying, and there's a lot of people that are contributing. You can see here, right? So some people are contributing 0.01 BNB, because why not, right? Some people are contributing 0.03, which I think is just good, and also a good place, a good amount to start. But of course, the higher the money that you will put, the better rewards that you can get, the higher dividends that you can get. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this one today. Again, this is Avvaken, a new project, decentralized AMM, rather autonomous yield farming protocol on Binance Smart Chain. And see you on the next video, guys. Of course, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more daily updates, and see you on the next video.